In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mindmap in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted a clear visual way to explore ideas or see how your tasks connect, the mindmap view in ClickUp is perfect. We'll move from opening ClickUp to choosing the right structure for your map so you can get organized fast and stay focused. Start by heading to ClickUp in your browser or opening the desktop app and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see your spaces there. A space is the highest level of organization in ClickUp. It holds your folders, lists, and tasks. Click the space where you want to work. Choosing the right space matters because your mind map will reflect the items stored within it. Inside the space, open the specific board or list you want to visualize. Whether you're using a list view for tasks or a board with columns, pick the location that already contains the work you want to map out. If you're unsure, choose the list that best represents your project or topic. This keeps your map relevant and saves you from reorganizing later. At the top of your screen, look for the Views area. Click View to open the gallery of available ways to display your work. ClickUp offers many options like List, Board, Timeline, but we'll select Mind Map. This switches your project into a visual canvas where ideas and tasks can be explored in a branching format. When you choose Mind Map, you'll be prompted to select a structure to start. This is an important choice. If you want to visualize tasks that already exist in your list, pick the structure that builds from your current tasks. This instantly turns your task hierarchy into a map, letting you see parents, subtasks, and relationships at a glance. It's great for understanding scope, spotting gaps, and communicating structure to your team. If you want to brainstorm from scratch, choose the blank structure. This gives you an empty canvas to capture ideas first and worry about task details later. It's ideal for planning sessions, outlining content, or mapping processes before converting them into tasks. As you work, keep your map focused with clear labels, group-related concepts near each other, and use concise wording so the layout stays readable. Once your structure is set, you can pan around the canvas and zoom in or out for a comfortable view. Consider naming the mind map view clearly so you can find it again easily, and, if appropriate, share it with your team so everyone is on the same page. That's it. You've opened ClickUp, navigated to your space and list, switched to the mind map view, and chosen the best structure to begin. Now you're ready to think visually and work smarter.